Happy Valentine, friends. We are celebrating love. If you love someone, you want that person to grow, such person to succeed, such person to have clarity of purpose, such person to have wholesome and holistic well-being. And in helping such a person that you call a beloved, someone you truly love, is by giving a gift of a book that could help that person to have clarity, to heal, to have a purpose-driven life, to know him or herself better, to be able to set goals that will help in his or our transformation. And that's why I'm bringing to you one of my books. It's titled Starting Point, Self-Awareness and Hope. This is what you pay money to start a session with a coach. But I know some of you, maybe because of the cost, we don't like to hire a coach, even though every one of us at one point or the other, we need a mentor, we need a counselor, we need a coach to work with us along our paths of transitions so that we are not alone. But this is a self-coaching program. The kind of open-ended questions that we coaches ask is tools, journal that you can use. The test of the pudding is in the eating. I am telling you this, that if you buy this book, which is available on my website, available on Amazon, and available on Ingram Spark, you will come back to thank me. Starting point, that is awareness and hope. It's a self-discovery. Discover who you are. It's for a renewed mind and restored life. And herein is the first module of 6 theories that I might have. But this one is so very important, it's critical to start you on your journey of self-discovery. We have self-awareness. There are certain things you need to know about yourself, personal data, you have SWOT analysis, life balance assessment, well-being assessment. And then there are purpose and reflection questions that if you answer honestly, will let you know who you truly are and what you need to do to get to that point, that peak that you expect to get to. And then you will help you with your goal reflection, your short-term goals, your long-term goals. It gives you hope, alignment and goal direction, affirmation and self-exercises. There are good exercises there. You find the emotional awareness wheel and you find the emotional adventure wheel. And even also 30-day devotional. If you're looking for spiritual based positive psychology, you will get it in this book. If you check the description link, I will give it to you there. I have the authority to write this book because of my profession. I'm a doctor of philosophy in philosophy of religion and theology. I'm a Lancers professional life coach, an apostle of science of well-being, holistic well-being, emotional balance, mental balance, physical and spiritual balance. You need to be spiritually formed to have every other thing work well for you. Check other details. But don't ever forget, pick a copy and buy for others in the spirit of love. I'm Dr. Josephine.